Hi, I'm Dan Shell with AmeriCorps Cape Cod, class of 2010. We're out here working with the Army Corps of Engineers on the Cape Cod Canal picking up trash.
Hi, my name is Holly Gonzalez and I am a 2015 alum. Today we volunteered at Hooks and Hangers Resale Store. So today we created this book nook. We also renovated the front of the register area.
My name is Matt Chappell, class of 2010. We're here in Washington, D.C. in the Rock Creek Park, cleaning up the Soapstone Valley. Rock Creek Park is part of the National Park Service, so we're out here picking up trash and cleaning up the watershed.
Hi, I'm Kate Fritz, class of 2004. I'm also the executive director of the South River Federation. We're here today with about 40 St. Mary's alum and students helping us plant our latest restoration project. And we've done a lot of large-scale stream restoration, and the volunteers here today are helping us plant it.
I'm Bella with the Office of Sustainability at St. Mary's College of Maryland. Do a trash pickup with Project Clean Stream.